Hey everyone, this is the second video. Hey everyone, this is the third lecture for chapter 4, Carbon and its compounds for class 10 science. In the earlier video, we have done that hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons have carbon and carbon single bond, and obviously there will be hydrogens to satisfy the valency of carbon. And we have done that alkanes have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Any member of alkane family will fit in this formula. We know that alkane is a family of organic compounds, and in this family there are many members having this general formula. So the suffix of this family is called as ane. Why we are doing this suffix? We are actually doing the IUPAC nomenclature, means the naming of organic compounds. The International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry have specified some rules while writing out the scientific name, you can say, of an organic compound, that is called the IUPAC name. So for that, the alkane family has given the suffix ane, means whenever we write the name of an alkane family member, it will end up with ane. For word root means the number of carbon atoms present in the organic compound. For the number of carbon in the present in the organic compound, word root will be same. For example, if there is 1 carbon, then the word root will be meth. If there will be 2 carbon in any organic compound, word root will be it. For 3, word root will be prop. For 4, but. For 5, pent. For 6 carbons, it will be hex. For 7 carbons, it will be hept. For 8 carbons, it will be oct. For 9 carbons, it will be none. And for 10 carbons, it will be dec. For example, CH4. Its name will be, since it has only 1 carbon, so its name will be meth. And because this is alkane, so its suffix will be ane. So its complete name become methane. You know that in methane there is 1 carbon. Now there is no other carbons. Therefore all the valency of carbon will be satisfied with hydrogen. This is called the structural formula. And this is called the molecular formula or the condensed structural formula of methane, and it will be fit in this general formula. If there are 2 carbons like CH3, it is satisfying all the conditions. Carbon and carbon are attached to each other with single bond, and its general formula is according to this CnH2n plus 2. So since there are 2 carbons here, so its word root will become it, and because this is the member of alkane family, it will end up with ethane, ane. So its name will be ethane. Similarly, if there are 3 carbon, each are attached to each other with single bond, then its name will be propane, because there are 3 carbons, so we will use the word prop. Similarly, if there will be 4 carbon attached to each other through single bond having general formula according to the alkanes, so its name will be but, and suffix is obviously ane because it belongs to the alkane family. Similarly, if there are 5 carbon, it will be pentane. Now how can I write this structure? Suppose we have to write the structure of pentane. We already draw 5 carbon, we already write 5 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are attached to each other through single bonds. And now we have to satisfy the remaining valency with the hydrogen. This carbon has been attached to 1 carbon through single bond, so it will have 3 hydrogens. बिकॉज कार्बन स्टेबल तभी होता है जब उसके 4 बॉन्ड्स कंप्लीट होते हैं. सिमिलरली ये कार्बन ऑलरेडी 2 बॉन्ड से अटैच्ड है, सो इट विल अटैच विद 2 हाइड्रोजन in order to complete its 4 bonds, in order to get stability. Similarly, this carbon is already attached to through 2 single bonds, so there will be 2 hydrogens attached to it. This carbon is already attached to 2 single bonds, therefore there will be 2 hydrogens attached to it. This carbon has only 1 single bond, so there will be 3 hydrogens attached to it. This is called complete structural formula, and from this complete structural formula, how can we write this condensed structural formula? This is C, and this C is attached to 3 hydrogens, so we call it as CH3. We don't have to mention single bond every time, it's understood. CH3, then there is the single bond between carbon and carbon. This C has 2 hydrogens attached to it, so we'll write CH2. Then a single bond, then this carbon is attached to 2 hydrogens, CH2, then single bond, again this carbon is attached to 2 hydrogens, CH2, then a single bond, and then the last carbon is attached to 3 hydrogens, so we'll write CH3. This is how we get the condensed structural formula. This is the condensed structural formula, and this is the structural formula. We can also write it in this way, C5, you can count the hydrogens, it will be 12 hydrogens. This is called molecular formula. So C5H12 is its molecular formula. When we write it in very expanded form, this is called structural formula, and we write it in compact form, it is called the condensed structural formula. All of these are the members of alkane family. Similarly, we can write more members of alkane family like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons having single bond between them. This carbon has 1 single bond, therefore there will be 3 hydrogens. Here there will be 2 hydrogens. Here 2 bonds are already there, so there will be 2 hydrogens. Here also 2 bonds are already there, so there will be 2 hydrogens. Here also there are 2 bonds already, so there will be 2 hydrogens, and in the last carbon there is only 1 single bond, so there will be 3 hydrogens. If we write it in compact form, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2, CH3 single bond, CH2, 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 and last CH3. Now how many carbon atoms are there? 6. So we'll write the word root hex. Since it belongs to alkane family, so its suffix will be ane. So its name becomes hexane. Actually, you can say that this is the homologous series of alkane family, because we are writing all the members of a particular family in increasing order of number of carbon atoms. Such a family, such a series is called as homologous series. The series of organic compounds having same functional group, all of them have same functional group but are arranged in increasing order of number of carbon atoms. Number of atoms बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So we call it as homologous series. There are more characteristics of homologous series, but first of all I think you are very clear with this alkane family, how to write the nomenclature, the naming of the alkane family. So the homologous series is a series of organic compounds. Organic compounds की एक series having same functional group. All the members of the homologous series have same functional group, but they are arranged in increasing order of number of carbon atoms. For example, CH4, that is methane. C2H6, this is ethane. C3H8, this is propane. C4H10, this is butane. C5H12, this is pentane. So methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, all are the members of alkane families, and they are arranged in increasing order of number of carbon atoms. So this is the homologous series of alkane family. Now there are certain characteristics of homologous series. First of all, we learn what is functional group. Actually, functional group is a group of atoms that determines the chemical properties of an organic compound. Suppose I am talking about alkane family. So all the members of alkane family have this property that each carbon is attached to another carbon through single bond. So all of them have same chemical properties because the basic group of atoms that determine the chemical properties of organic compound is same. That is, all of them have carbon-carbon single bond. That's why ये फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि एक कार्बन है, दो कार्बन है, तीन कार्बन है, लेकिन क्योंकि उनका फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम है, उनका बेसिक नेचर सेम है, इसलिए उनकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या हैं, सेम. तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप मतलब किसी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में वो ग्रुप ऑफ एटम जो उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज को डिटरमाइन करता है. वी हैव डन अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन जिसमें कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड होता है. अब चाहे हम दो कार्बन वाला ये ले लें एल्केन, दो कार्बन वाला एल्कीन ले लें, इनका बेसिक नेचर अलग होगा क्योंकि इसमें कार्बन और कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड है, इसमें कार्बन और कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड है. तो इट इज दैट ग्रुप ऑफ एटम विच डिटरमाइन इट्स केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज and that is called as functional group. Alkane, alkene, alcohol, alkyne, carboxylic acids, all of these are the functional group, and in one functional group there could be many members because members just add on by increasing the number of carbon atom, and there is no impact of increase of number of carbon atom on the chemical properties of an organic compound. Although the physical properties change, but the chemical properties remain the same if they belong to same functional group. We can say the same family. The family word is that means the functional group. All the alkane family have this functional group alkane. All the members of alkene family will have this functional group carbon carbon double bond, that is alkene. So what are the characteristics of the homologous series? That they have same general formula. Obviously सबका general formula क्या होगा? CnH2n+2. आप यहाँ पर n की वैल्यू 1 रखो, C1H2 into 1 plus 2, CH4. n की वैल्यू 2 रखो, C2H2 into 2 plus 2, C2H6. 3 रखो, C3H 3 into 2 6 plus 2 8, C3H8. तो ये सारे मेंबर्स इसी जनरल फॉर्मूला में फिट होते हैं. सेकेंडली दे हैव सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप. एज आई टोल्ड यू, सब में कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा. सब एल्केन फैमिली के मेंबर्स हैं, तो दैट मीन्स सबका फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है, सेम. Similarly, they have the same chemical properties. Because they have the same functional group, this is the reason they have the same chemical properties. Because as I told you, chemical properties depend on the basic structure, not the number of carbon atoms. Then, now you can see that these are the two consecutive members. If I see their formula, if I compare their formula, this has one carbon extra and two hydrogens extra. Means इन दोनों के molecular formula में कितने का difference है, CH2. Similarly, if I compare the second and the third member, इसमें दो कार्बन है, इसमें तीन कार्बन है, एक कार्बन एक्स्ट्रा है, कितने हाइड्रोजन्स एक्स्ट्रा है, दो हाइड्रोजन्स. तो अगेन सेकेंड एंड थर्ड मेंबर में भी कितना molecular formula का difference है, CH2. Similarly here, one carbon is extra and two hydrogens are extra. So the molecular formula of two consecutive members differ by CH2. दो consecutive members में molecular formula में कितना difference आएगा, CH2 का difference आएगा. Similarly, if I say the molecular mass, you can easily calculate the molecular mass of this compound. Carbon has mass 12, hydrogen has 4, so that will be 16U. And here carbon has 12, so 24 plus 6, that is 30U. And what is the difference between them? That is 14U. तो दो मेंबर्स के मॉलिक्यूलर मास में कितने का डिफरेंस होगा? 14U. You can check for other members as well. The molecular mass of two consecutive members will differ by 14U. Obviously, there is a difference of CH2. Carbon has mass 12, hydrogen has mass 1, so 14 का difference आएगा molecular mass में. But as the number of carbon atom increases, physical property gradually increases. Mass बढ़ेगा, साइज बढ़ेगा, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट मोस्टली बढ़ेंगे. तो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी सेम नहीं होती. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होंगी एज द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स चेंज, एंड मोस्टली विद इंक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज increases. Now we move to the second family, that is the alkene family. Alkene, its suffix is -ene. Word root will be same for 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non and dec. It will be same for every functional group. But for alkene family, suffix will be -ene. And its general formula is now CnH2n, because now the carbon and carbon are attached to each other through double bond. So there will be less hydrogens. So its general formula is CnH2n. And its identity, इसकी मेन पहचान क्या है कि कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होना चाहिए. Mind it, there will be double bond only at one position, not at all the position. I'll explain it. First of all, what will be the first member of alkene family? It could not be methene. वो methene क्यों नहीं हो सकता? Because methene means one carbon and its identity is to have double bond. But carbon can't form double bond with hydrogen. Hydrogen has only one electron, so hydrogen can't form double bond. So its first member can't be methene. So it actually starts with ethene. Eth means two carbon are there, and between two carbon there must be a double bond. Now this carbon already has two bonds there, so there will be two hydrogens around it. Similarly, this carbon has two bonds already, so there will be two hydrogens around it. We can compact it and write it in a way like this: CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. ene क्यों आया? Because कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड है, एल्कीन फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है, जिसका सफिक्स होता है ene. eth क्यों आया? Because there are two carbons there. And if we write propene, now mind it, if we have propene, there will be 3 carbon. Now double bond will be only at one position. It's not that here also we have double bond. Double bond will be only at one position, and others, in between other carbon there will be only single bond. अगर यहाँ भी double bond हो जाएगा, now it will be diene. Diene, die मतलब 2 enes, 2 ene है, ये एक इन है, डबल बॉन्ड. सो किसी एक दो कार्बन्स के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड, बाकी सब में सिंगल बॉन्ड. दिस कार्बन हैज 2 bonds already there, so there will be 2 hydrogens. This carbon is already attached to 3 bonds, so it will need only 1 hydrogen. This carbon has only 1 hydrogen, so it will need 3 hydrogens. We can write it like this: CH2 compact कर दिया, double bond CH, single bond CH3. prop क्योंकि 3 कार्बन है, ene क्योंकि किसी एक पोजीशन पर डबल बॉन्ड है. आप देख सकते हो इसमें कार्बन है 2, हाइड्रोजन है 4, CnH2n. इसमें कार्बन है 3, हाइड्रोजन है 6, C3H6. तो ये सब इस फॉर्मूला में फिट होंगे, इस जनरल फॉर्मूला में. नेक्स्ट मेंबर विल बी ब्यूटेन. देयर विल बी 4 कार्बन्स, किसी भी एक पोजीशन लास्ट में डबल बॉन्ड लगा दिया, सिंगल बॉन्ड सिंगल बॉन्ड. इस कार्बन का एक बॉन्ड बन चुका है, बाकी के 3 वैलेंसी किससे सेटिस्फाई होगी? हाइड्रोजन से। इस कार्बन के 2 बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं, बाकी की 2 वैलेंसी किससे सेटिस्फाई होगी? हाइड्रोजन से। इस कार्बन के 3 बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं, 1, 2 and 3, so there will be only 1 hydrogen, and this carbon has 2 bonds there, so there will be 2 hydrogen. This is structural formula. We can compact it to write CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2. This is butene. Its molecular formula will be C4H8. IUPAC name butene. Structural formula, condensed structural formula, molecular formula. So this is, you can say, the homologous series of alkene family. Similarly, there is the next family, that is alkyne family. The identity of alkyne family is now carbon and carbon are attached to each other through the triple bond. Means carbon और carbon के बीच में अब triple bond होगा. Its suffix will be -ine and its general formula will be CnH2n-2. अब 2 हाइड्रोजन्स और कम हो गए क्योंकि अब किसी एक पोजीशन पर कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में क्या होगा? ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. अगेन इसका फर्स्ट मेंबर मिथाइन तो नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज कार्बन कांट फॉर्म ट्रिपल बॉन्ड विद हाइड्रोजन, सो इट विल स्टार्ट विद ith-ine. This is the IUPAC name. Its structure will be, there are 2 carbons, 2 कार्बन्स के बीच में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. इस कार्बन के 3 बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं, इट विल हैव 1 हाइड्रोजन. दिस कार्बन ऑल्सो हैज 3 बॉन्ड्स, देयरफॉर देयर विल बी ओनली 1 hydrogen. Its molecular formula becomes C2H2. C2H2 into 2, 4 minus 2, C2H2. Its name is ethine. Condensed form में लिखेंगे तो CH triple bond CH, और तो compact कर नहीं सकते. Next member will be propyne. There will be 3 carbons, किसी एक पोजीशन पर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, बाकी पोजीशन में सिंगल बॉन्ड. इस कार्बन का एक बॉन्ड ऑलरेडी बन चुका है, बाकी के 3 क्या आ जाएंगे? हाइड्रोजन्स. इस कार्बन का 1, 2, 3, 4 चारों बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं, मतलब इसकी वैलेंसी ऑलरेडी सेटिस्फाइड है, सो इसमें कोई हाइड्रोजन नहीं आएगा. दिस कार्बन हैज़ 3 बॉन्ड्स अटैच्ड टू इट, सो इट विल नीड 1 हाइड्रोजन. माइंड इट, हर कार्बन के 4 बॉन्ड्स पूरे होने चाहिए, ना 4 से कम ना 4 से ज़्यादा. सो इट्स मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज कार्बन आर 3, हाइड्रोजन इज 1, 2, 3, 4. C3H3 into 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. And CH3C triple bond CH. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? प्रॉप से अगला 4 कार्बन के लिए क्या आता है? 4 के लिए क्या टर्म होती है? ब्यूट. क्योंकि हम एल्काइन फैमिली पढ़ रहे हैं तो उसका सफिक्स क्या होगा? आइन. देयर विल बी 4 कार्बन एटम्स, किसी भी एक टर्मिनल पोजीशन पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड लगा दिया, बाकी पोजीशंस में सिंगल बॉन्ड. इस कार्बन के 3 बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी हैं, 1 हाइड्रोजन. इस कार्बन के 3 और 1 4, चारों बॉन्ड्स ऑलरेडी हैं, कोई हाइड्रोजन नहीं. इस कार्बन पर 2 बॉन्ड्स हैं, 2 हाइड्रोजन. इस कार्बन में 1 बॉन्ड है, सो देयर विल बी 3 हाइड्रोजन्स. सो इट विल बी CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C single bond CH2 single bond CH3. Its molecular formula is C4H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Butane. Similarly, there will be pentyne, hexyne, heptyne, etc. Now, this is the homologous series of alkyne family. This is how we can make the homologous series or write the members of any of the functional group. बस हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए, आइडेंटिटी, उसका सफिक्स एंड उसका general formula. I hope this is very clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. In the next video, we'll do isomers and what are the alcohols, carboxylic acids and other functional groups. Thank you so much.